Welcome to the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in sterling gray metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Trail Boss, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power-adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control. The shifter is in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have blacked out door handles, blacked out mirrors with LEDs, Z71 badges on the fenders, 6.2-liter badging on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked out bow tie in the blacked out grille, Z71 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped. Step assists are installed. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Trail Boss logo on the sides of the bed. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper, twin chrome tipped exhaust, towing packages installed, chrome Silverado, LT, and blacked out bow tie, all on GM's multi-pro tailgate. Heading back inside the Silverado, starting off with your in-seat storage. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console, we have 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.